monster of a dance, everybody learning. Hey, Leggo di Bird, 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 hey, Leggo di Bird.
People for the face of my Monsta Boss. Yeah man. People, I'm me a creator of Leggo di Bird dance. And before I'm going to Leggo di Bird dance, I show a little preview. You understand me? Yeah man, big up Magnum and Just Boss.
Oh Monsta there. Hey, me never used to sing dancing song. Now me sing dancing song, the word God. I mean name Lali Shati. Everybody remember me from 2018. I me did sing What's on Sale. Now me sing Dirt Bongs. I me sing Tip in a Imp Monster of a dance. Everybody learning. Hey, Leggo di Bird, 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 Leggo di Bird. Hey, Leggo di Bird. Hey.
Yeah, so that was a preview of the Leggo di Bird dance. Now I'm gonna show them step by step. So Leggo di Bird dance is 3 steps to Leggo di Bird dance. You understand? So you're gonna open the hand and put the cutter just like this. Yeah, and then you're gonna extend the hand and then you tweet the fingers. Yeah, you get me? Second step, you wanna watch the jungle. Flap, you're gonna flap like this 2 sides. Any amount of time you wanna flap, you understand? Yeah man. And then you're gonna move with it. Yeah, you're gonna stone your toes and then you flap your hand same way, you understand me? Yeah man. Yeah, so this is the hand part of the Leggo di Bird dance. You're gonna put the hand across the chest like this, extend it. And when you extend the flip, you tuck your fingers like this. Just tweak your fingers any amount of time you wanna go. And this is the jump crow. You understand? Yeah, what's a jump crow and an eagle. So that's the hand part. So you go like this, in and out, extend, flop 2 sides, tweak the fingers like this. So now we're gonna move to the body part of the dance. You understand? Yeah. So you're gonna go like this. And then you flip it on the same way, and then you lean to any side. You can lean all the time, any side you want to lean. Yeah, and just flip it on the same way. So we're going to go to the foot part of the dance now. I thought about the body part a while ago. So the foot part is that. And you can run out and get back. So forward, black. Across on the toes, across on the toes. Yeah. Yeah, so now you know the 3 steps. We're going to go back one more time. So you're going to go like this. Yeah, so we're gonna show you what we do in the streets.
Go on! If a bird a fly up. Wait, pattern a bird season.
Yeah man, DJ a bird season, you know. Yeah.
Our Monsta there.
Bye.
Our Monsta there. Them deaf. Hey, me never used to sing dancing song. Now me sing dancing song, the word God. I mean name Lali Shati. Everybody remember me from 2018. I me did sing What's on Sale. Now me sing Dirt Bongs. I me sing Tip in a Imp Monster of a dance. Everybody learning. Hey, Leggo di Bird, 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 Leggo di Bird. Hey, Leggo di Bird. Hey, watch a junker and a eagle. Catch a junker and a eagle. Catch a junker and a eagle. Catchy, hey, catchy dip. Is that a normal dip? Watch butter skin a dip. And him ice them a drip. Hey, catchy dip. Is that a normal dip? Watch butter skin a dip. And him ice them a drip.
Now that you know how to do Leggo di Bird dance, so I'm begging you please check out this dance and this dance. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, big up Magnum. I'm out.